Man, there's too many people over here. Ooh. Ooh. Wait a minute. See what's popping. You know that grind ain't stopping. Shout out to my notification gang. Don't forget to get the bell to ring, man. And hey, man, you already know what to do. Let's get it, man. It's the F350. I just did a delete on it. Truck's super dirty. I need to wash it, but everybody said it in their videos. But I'm actually about to go wash mine, so. And I got a couple things I want to do today. But this video is about deleting the truck. I want to let you know what's coming next, so you stay tuned. We got the amp going in and the 2 speakers, the shallow mount 10s. This is a 300 watt old school amp, so it's true to power. It got plenty of power to push these 10s. I had them in my Hellcat, and I'm about to take those parts back for my box Chevy because it ain't working out. So I got to get a new motor. But let's get this cold start from this tuned truck. Just tuned. Let me see. Well, Swap say whistle gang, big whistle gang. I ain't gonna show you underneath the truck, but you hear those turbos though. I got my tuner right here, mounted. I'm trying to get some flybys in for y'all, but you see the tuner mounted right there, so I can see it. I can get in. Got plenty of room. Check my kneecap out. I got plenty of room to, you know, so it's not in the way or nothing. But we're gonna get a couple pulls in. Do a little revving, stuff like that, just so you can see what it sounds like, just in case you're thinking about doing it or something like that. But it's not gonna be a long video at all. We ain't gonna draw this out. We're gonna get y'all some revs, some flybys. It kinda roll, you know, the stuff that Santa Claus bring if you're not good, you know, you're not good during the year. That little thing that he put in the stocking. Yeah, it kind of do that a little bit, so I don't want it to be too bad, so I just got it on. It's just street tune right now. It's not race tune. Race tune is gonna be a lot of that stuff that Santa bring. But all right, let's hop into it. I just want y'all to hear it a little bit, kind of while it's going down the street. I got it's kind of shaky. I got the rear window down so you can hear it. I'm gonna hit it. Ready, let's waste some gas. Let's get to it. Try to get y'all some good footage, man. Little pull. I'm gonna try to go through a tunnel. I'm trying to go through a tunnel right now. Well, not a tunnel, but under a bridge. So let's do that. Let's go under this bridge real quick. Down these back windows. Then we hop on the freeway. All right, here we go. There's too many people over here. Ooh. Ooh. Wait a minute. You ready? Let's go, let's go. Yeah. Dang. Let the window up. Let the window up. Let the window up. Oh Lord. Alright y'all, so I have to say it's definitely way faster. It's definitely sound a lot better. Overall, I've been driving it around for like a couple hours now. Man, it's so much more fun to drive. Can't even lie. So much more fun to drive. So much more fun to drive. My fuel efficiency, not so much better, but I really haven't took it on a trip or nothing, so I couldn't tell you. But I don't know. The truck feels a lot freer. So I did the EGR is no longer applicable, or hooked up if you don't know what applicable means. And then I'm gonna get y'all a pull so y'all can see like do like a 0 to 60 so y'all can kind of see. If you want to look up a factory F350, 2018 F350 and see how that sound, do that. And then come to this video and you can see what a tune one sound like. I mean, not sound like, what it sound like and how it drive. And we can go from there. But when I get to a good stopping point, I come back on and I'll show y'all 0 to 60. All right, let's do that 0 to 60 real quick for a car comp. It's going uphill, it's not fair. All right, let's make it a little bit more ideal. Not on the hill no more. It ain't gonna be a 0 to 60. You can look that up, but let's do it. Gotta think, for a big truck, it's quick. I didn't stump it, you know, I kind of eased into it. So that's what it is. It's getting dark out. And the thing actually look good in the dark. Let's get a couple of revs in real quick and then we're gonna end it off here. Let's get those revs in and then that'll be it. If you watch this much of the video and you liking the content, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let's get these revs in.